Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Education Hub. In this lecture video, I will give a short lecture on .nc file format. Okay, let's begin. What is .nc file format? .nc file format is also known as the netcdf file, which is a short form of network data format. .nc file format is used for storing multi-dimensional scientific data or variables such as temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, and direction. Each of these variables can be displayed through a dimension such as time, date, or depth by making a layer or table view from the netcdf file. The layer or table view represents one slice of a dimension, for example, a single date or depth. Next, application of .nc file format. A wide range of application software has been written which makes use of the netcdf files. These range from command lines utilities to graphical visualization. A number of listed packages are given one by one for the application of .nc file format. First is nc browse. nc browse is a generic netcdf file viewer that includes Java graphics, so it is free and it is used for animation and 3D visualization. nc view is a visual browser for netcdf file format. This program is a simple, fast GUI based tool for visualization fields in a netcdf file. We can browse through the various dimensions of the data array, taking a look at the raw data values. It is also possible to change color maps, import the data, etc. Third is Panoply. Panoply software can be freely downloaded from the official website of NASA, and this software is a netcdf file viewer developed at the NASA Goddard Institute of Space Studies, which focuses on presentation of geo-graded data. It is written in Java. Its some features overlaps with nc browse and nc views, and this is a drawback of software. The NCAR command language NCL is used to analyze and visualize data in netcdf files among other formats. Third is Python. Python programming language can access the netcdf files with the PyNew module, which also facilitates access a variety of other data formats. Netcdf file can also be read with the Python module netcdf4 Python and into a pandas-like data frame with the xarray module. 6. R programming language. R programming language also supplies the netcdf file through the packages ncdf4, and advantage of this package is it is also support the hierarchical data format, that is HDF5 file format. 7th is ArcGIS. ArcGIS version after 9.2 support the netcdf file that follows the climate and forecast metadata conventions and contain rectilinear grids with equally spaced coordinates. 8 is Origin 8. Origin 8 software imports the netcdf files as matrix books, where each book can hold a 4D array. Users can select a subset of the imported data to make surface, contour, or image plots. This is the structure of the netcdf file. A netcdf file contains three things. First is a variable, second is a dimension, and third is the attributes. Variable contain name, shape, type, values, and their associated attributes. Dimension, name in string and length in integer, and contain if the dimension is one dimension, then it may be dynamics. Third is the variable. Variable may have some dimension, indicates common grid. Scalar values have no dimension. And third is attributes. It's also name in a string, and type is the primitive. Primitive type is a numeric byte, short, integer, float, double are characteristic character arrays for the text. Hence the netcdf file contains three things: attribute, dimension and variables. As we discussed earlier, netcdf file contains three things. One is the dimension, second is the attribute, and third is the variable. In this, x and y axis are the dimension and time is the variable, and this is the in Excel form, in pixel form of the raw data, and here this is the raster form of the raw data, and this is the graphical representation of the raw data. And after the analyzing all the different types of software which I have discussed earlier. The original netcdf data in binary format and released in 1997. Now netcdf file format is known as the classic format. A latest version 4.40 netcdf file format released in the year 2008 and compatible with the hierarchical data file format, that is HDF5 data format. Version 4.1 released in the year 2010 and support the program C, C language and Fortran language. Latest version 4.70 of .NC format released in the 2019, and further release are planned to improve performance, add feature and fix bugs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will be useful. If useful, please like, comment and subscribe this channel.